Junkies, welcome to EminiJunkie.com, your trading mentor's free trading video for Monday, July 18th, 2011. Today we had a total of 8 executable trade signals for a max potential of minus 40 ES ticks. This video is for educational purposes only. It's intended to highlight our high probability trade setups and give you a feel for the quantity of trades taken each trading day using this approach. A full trading plan and daily live trading room can be accessed via our website at EminiJunkie.com. Well, today was one of those days we just could not get anything going. We opened at 0625 and we immediately set into a signal to the downside. We had a nice gap down. We did not have a high probability range that we opened in, and that first signal, full stop out right off the bat. We ended up coming back down through our moving average, got a signal to get short. That one did produce a nice signal, targets 1 and targets 2 to the downside for 10 ticks as we started pushing down, and we were setting up what we call a go with trade, which is where we just try to trade in the direction of this move all day. But not at any time during our session did we get a real adequate pullback to give us that opportunity. So we continued to pull off to the downside. We actually came back through our moving average, another signal to the long side, another T0 minus 14. Today was a day that I cannot remember another day like this in the many years that I've been using this system. We actually had 4 stop outs today for full stop outs. The signal to the downside. Now this was another good setup. We had our first contract off and we were looking just to push down another tick, but the market whipped right back to the swing high point there, ended up stopping us out because we adjust our stops only to see the market ultimately drop off. So this was one of those situations where we got a T1 minus 2. Unfortunate due to the the adjustment in what we do, because it did go on to what would have been its T2 target, but nonetheless we have to record that as a minus 2. And then right before the lunchtime dead zone, another cross to the upside. Looked like we were going to get a little bit of a bounce there. We hit our our T1 level, but we did not get to pass through and get us our target. Ended up getting a full stop out again, T0 minus 14 on that move. So a very rough morning, one of the worst that I can recall, and the afternoon didn't fare any better. We actually put in our low, came out of the lunchtime dead zone, almost had a signal to get long for a nice full swing, but there was a little switchback, ended up with a signal short. Luckily for us, we were able to get our first contract off, T1 minus 2, and then there was the quick move to the upside, provided a nice extension opportunity, targets 1 and targets 2 for 10 ticks, but then wouldn't you know, right before we were finishing up for the day, it looked as if it was going to come back down at the 2:30 reversal time frame, only to give us another full stop out. So a very tough day, taking all the signal entries. At any point we did not get any opportunities to really get on the go with, and the go with typically would put in its low at 2:30 and 3:30 in the days, and the market reversed during the lunchtime. So a very tough trading day for us following our rule sets. 8 trades, minus 40 ES ticks. I want to thank you for watching. For more details on this plan, including all the chart setups, or to join our live trading room and video newsletter, please visit EminiJunkie.com or just simply click the link at the top of the screen. Thanks, and make it a great day.